this video of How To with FileOnion, we will show you how to interact live with your clients using our comments feature. Simply select Clients and select the client you are working with. Then select the file that you want to review. Once in the file, you will be able to leave a general comment about all documents that your client have uploaded. Or you can go to a specific document and leave a comment there. Let's review the Social Security file. Now, upon viewing this file, we see that the client has uploaded a copy that is not clear. We can simply reach out to the client and say, hey, please send a clear copy. Now, once we send that to the client, they will receive a notification and an email. They will then be able to respond right back to us with our comment feature. They will say, okay, I will send another one. Now, we will get that response right away. We can respond back to them saying thanks. And just like that, that is our live commentary feature that we have.